Hello students, now we will discuss regarding the working and principle of Ruby laser. First we should know about the laser. Laser, the full form of laser is light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. This is all about laser. We know simple light, we have to amplify the light, normal light energy with the help of some process is called stimulated, and get the new beam of light is called radiated light, is called laser. Now we focus on Ruby laser. Ruby laser is a solid state laser. This is solid state laser, consists of aluminium oxide and 0.5% of chromium ion. Aluminium oxide is called ruby crystal, and we have to dope 0.05% of chromium ion in the ruby crystal, and this is called active medium of ruby crystal, whereas the active center is chromium ion. It means whatever the ejection is going on from the crystal is of chromium ions. The pumping process is from the light energy. Basically the pumping process is the external energy provided to the ruby crystal and to emit the chromium ions from the active mediums, and the energy level is 3-level system. 3 levels means first level is of ground state, second level is of excited state, and the third one is called metastable state. Every time all the chromium ions are initially at the ground state. Once it gets external energy from the from light energy, it ejects from the ground state to excited state, stay for the 10 to the power of minus 8 seconds. During that period we bombard photons of energy h nu. After getting some energy from photons, it directed towards the metastable state, and during from excited state to metastable state the chromium ions release waves called laser. Similar process will be done during the downwards from the metastable to ground state. Like if we gone through with this energy level diagram, it is easy to understand. This is called ground state, this is excited state, and third one is called metastable state. We can define it E1, this is E2, and this one is E3. Initially all the chromium ions are over here in the excited ground state. Once we give an external energy, as far as the light energy is concerned, we are providing light energy as external energy to the active medium. All the chromium ions lifted from ground state to excited state. It stays at the time of 8.10 to the power of minus 8 seconds. During this stage we bombard photons of the energy of h nu. After getting this energy, the chromium ions get the energy and drop from excited state to metastable. During this period laser beam is formed. Similar process when all the chromium ions lose their energy, we another time we bombard the photons. After getting energy of photons, the chromium ions again drop from metastable to ground state and release the laser beams. This process is continue up to once we close this, once we off this providing external energy, automatically this process will be done. Now it's okay.